I hope you are all well. Today I have brought a new video for you guys in which you will get to see some beautiful designs. Some of the designs in this video are very simple and some are a little difficult. Which designs do you like the most? I will definitely tell you in the comments. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like the video. People who are not good at croquet can make it very easily by watching it on YouTube. You will find both basic and advanced videos on YouTube. You will get ideas in my YouTube video. In this video you will find many designs which are very beautiful. People are make and sell such a tissue boxes at home and start their own small business. There's also a lot of demands croquet. You can make many things with croquet such as shoulder bag, mobile holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything, you just need to know how to make croquet. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. You can make many things with croquet such as shoulder bag, mobile holder, sweaters, socks. You can make anything you just need to know how to make croquet. If you want, you can also order it online from any Instagram pages. I have put together lots of ideas and designs for you in this video, some of which are made of flowers and some are cute and mini boxes. Which designs do you like the most? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And which designs will I bring in the next video? In this video you will get to see all the boxes. There are also many tissue boxes which are very beautiful and cute. You can make whatever you like yourself. If you don't know how to croquet, you can learn on YouTube. You will find basic videos on YouTube and on my YouTube channel. You will get ideas. You can see any designs and make it. For simple croquet tissue box cover ideas, search up for item like easy croquet tissue box cover or simple croquet tissue box design on YouTube to find step-by-step video. Menu videos features designs from creative shapes like dogs and gingerbread house to basic geometric pattern, often with option to customize color and texture to match your home. For example, geometric patterns, creative shapes, car tissue box holder. Start with basic stitch. Focus on pattern that use simple stitch to build your skills before moving on the more complex designs. Don't be afraid to get creative with different yarn colors to make your tissue box cover unique and match your hand aesthetic. Many patterns can be easily adjusted to fit different tissue box size, so you can adapt them to your specific needs. You can learn how to stitch without stitches. First, you have to practice the loop. If we make the loops well, then the first step of our croquet is very good. Then we work on croquet and we can easily make any shape we want to give it. Whatever, it's a sweater, it's a tissue box, it's a holder, it's a cover, it's depend on you. If you want, you can make it any way you want. Then you can customize it from any Instagram pages by giving it any designs.